understanding the meanings of let. To give permission for someone to do something or for something to happen. Please let me know if you need any help. My parents won't let me stay out late on school nights. He let the kids play outside until it got dark. To allow a situation or action to occur. Let's see what happens next. Don't let this opportunity slip away! He let his anger show in the middle of the meeting. Rent or lease. To allow someone to use a property in exchange for payment. They decided to let their apartment while they were traveling. This house has been let to a lovely family. The landlord let the office space to a local business. Used in expressions to suggest or propose something, often used with us, shortened to let's, to make a suggestion. Let's go to the park this afternoon. Let's not forget to bring the tickets. Let me explain the process step by step. Expressing resignation or permission, informal, used to express a lack of objection or to show acceptance of a situation. Let it be. It's not worth arguing about. If they want to leave early, let them. Let the chips fall where they may. We've done our best. Let down to disappoint someone. I trusted you and you let me down. The team felt let down by their coach. Let go. To release or stop holding on to something, physically or emotionally. You need to let go of the past to move forward. She let go of his hand and ran away. Let in on. To share a secret or confidential information. Can I let you in on a little secret? They let her in on their plans for the surprise party. Let off. To excuse someone from punishment or duty. The teacher let him off with a warning. He was let off the hook because there wasn't enough evidence. Let loose. To act freely or without restraint. After the exam, the students let loose and celebrated. She decided to let loose and dance like no one was watching. Let it slide. To ignore or overlook a minor issue or mistake. I'll let it slide this time, but don't do it again. The manager let the error slide because it didn't cause major problems.